In this episode, we pick back up at the secluded Hoh temperate rainforest in the Pacific Northwest of Washington State. It's Stasia's birthday, and today we set out for her favorite hobby, foraging for mushrooms.
Stasia's birthday mushroom walk.
That's right. Someone's got to bring home dinner. Just kidding. I haven't showered in a while, so it's kind of gross.
We're also camping in a rainforest, so moisture is like everywhere.
Yeah, I haven't. It's been like only 3 days and my hair looks like it's wet.
Yeah.
What did you just find?
We were just standing along the road. We saw some false chanterelles and I looked around and I thought I saw something over here.
Bright, vibrant orange.
Look, and they're down in there too. There's a big one down inside of there.
Yeah. Oh, are we gonna pick it?
Yeah.
With a big chicken of the woods.
There's enough for a lot of people.
More within reach.
Yeah.
Oyster mushrooms. Look how beautiful these are. Yeah. Get that bug off of there.
I don't know. What do you think? Too far gone?
Yeah, that one's too far gone.
Yeah, that's a good oyster. Let's see here. Oh yeah, we got some fresh ones. There we go.
Smell. You can easily identify by the smell.
Yeah, oyster. Smells like oyster.
I need to get upwind of you. It's so powerful. It's almost sickening.
Yeah, these are gonna be really good. There's a lot.
There are a lot.
Fresh ones.
Easier to reach. Don't need your paddle this time.
Nope. Don't need the paddle. The paddle does work really good. Super effective.
Very.
Some little guys in here.
Little's not bad. Don't overlook the little ones. They might be more fresh.
Probably are. Cool. Pretty good bounty.
On to the next one.
Yeah, we'll find some more.
We'll be eating like fun guy royalty.
Yeah, like kings. Stasia's big birthday find. She got some chanterelles.
These retail for $27.99 at the local grocery store. Get some. These are such a delicacy. Like, these are up there with morels, you guys. So morel season might be over, but you're missing out on all the good stuff.
Oh no.
I know, I'm sorry.
We had good luck foraging, finding 5 different fungi species.
Rainy days here in the rainforest. As you can see, it's pretty gloomy out. So that leaves us with not a lot to do since we're outdoorsy people, but it's raining
And kind of cold.
and cold. Our solar isn't working here because the trees are so high and no sun. We're living off of these solar LED lights that my mom and Tom got us.
Yeah, that way we're not
Illuminades.
using our batteries as much because we're running our laptops all day.
Yep. So that's basically what we've been doing.
Just run the generator. We ran it twice today, or I guess
Yeah.
just once. I think we all let it run it again, though.
My friend Ryan Woods asked us, because he's so interested in our journey and our adventure and what we've been doing, but he asked us what we do in our spare time after work at night, you know, when the sun goes down or whatever. And we keep busy, but when it's raining, it's a little more difficult because you don't really want to be outside. So today we're taking advantage of this rainy day.
Yeah, we're going to reorganize the whole camper, and we've got little projects to do along the way. So this will be good because we always can't find anything. So this will be good.
Lots of dirty dishes. Need to put clothes away.
Can't have fun every day.
That's right. We're not on vacation every day. Definitely rainforest out here.
We pulled our ponchos out because we went on a hike to go to, shoot, what beach was that?
Rialto.
We went on a hike to go to Rialto Beach from our campground, and it's like a 1.5 mile walk, and it was pouring. We had our rain gear on, but it was raining so consistent that like it went through our gear. And so we're like turned around, we didn't make it. We went back, took the truck, and our stuff, that was 4 days ago. Mm-hmm. The clothes that we wore is still not dry because of the temperate rainforest.
It's so moist in our camper. You need your knife.
I know, I don't have it. Clean up some chanterelles.
Nice little lunch break. Chanterelles, to be specific. Look at the one behind you. And look at the slug on it.
Wow, that one was big. That is a big slug.
Yeah. Jackpot. $27.99 a pound. I'd say we have probably 2 pounds.
Yeah, that'll go well with the salmon.
Yeah, your freshly caught salmon. All right, where are the other ones that you saw? You said they were big. Or was that it?
I think that was it.
Oh, shit. Okay.
There's some small ones in there. Don't step on them.
I would never.
Hank, I found a lobster.
Lobster of the woods?
Look at that beauty.
Oh.
Oh, that's got some weight to it.
Yeah, okay, so we heard the heavier ones are the most fresh. So if it feels like styrofoam, it's not good.
Those are funky looking.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We can make lobster bisque with it.
We can make a lot of things.
Good find.
Yeah.
Oil City Road has a storied past of an attempted offshore oil drilling town on the Washington coast.
We made it to the Pacific!
We're here.
Now we just gotta finish the hike.
Staring at all these blueberries. Man.
Those are blackberries.
Oh yeah, blackberries. Those too.
Blackberries by the coast, hard to beat. All right, let's keep going.
Okay.
After many failed attempts to find oil preserves, the National Park Service purchased the coastal area, preserving it for the people for generations to come. Oil City Road now ends at the Hoh hiking trailhead that leads along the river to the confluence of the Pacific Ocean. The coastal trail continues north to Rialto Beach and requires an overnight permit and proper gear. Some sections require low tide to cross safely.
Woo! It's beautiful.
Sand. We found the end of the Hoh River. There it is. Let's keep going up there. Borrow my glasses. Okay. Here you go. Relief.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to follow along for more adventures.